In this video, I'm asking for your help on how to repair a leak in a seam on a Sea Eagle inflatable kayak. This is the kayak. It's a Sea Eagle 385 Fast Track. It's 4 years old. It's developed a leak in the seam on the front part underneath the Sea Eagle logo. I've talked to the Sea Eagle people. They say it's not possible to repair a seam leak, and so the kayak is basically worthless at this point, even though the rest of it's in absolutely great shape. They made a nice offer for a replacement for this, but I'd like to see if anybody out there has any experience in repairing seam leaks on inflatable kayaks, particularly Sea Eagles. And here's the leak. It's underneath the logo, and it's in the seam, and you can see that I can stick my finger in there. So actually I can probably get 2 fingers in there. I haven't peeled the logo up yet. If you have experience with actually repairing a leak on a seam, I'd love to hear that in the comment section. If you simply have some ideas but haven't tried them, I'd like those too. Thanks for your help.